Welcome to the Wi-Tek Solution channel. We will explore the ultimate hotel experience, Wi-Tek's luxury WLAN and CCTV solution for high-end hotels. After completing this training, you will learn which equipment is suitable for ultimate hotels, as well as some basic principles for product selection. The ultimate hotel solution comprises 4 components: solution requirement, network architecture, product recommendations and key features, bill of material. Part 1, Solution Requirement. The ultimate hotel solution is perfect for hotels with over 200 guest rooms. It encompasses both indoor and outdoor spaces, covering all functional zones of a high-end hotel. This solution provides a comprehensive range of features that can meet the networking needs of a luxury hotel environment entirely. Part 2, Network Architecture. In the ultimate hotel solution, we recommend using Wi-Fi 6 access points and L2+ PoE switches at the access layer. At the aggregation layer, 2 pieces of L3 managed switches are used to enable link backup and load balancing. For the gateway, we suggest a device that supports 2.5 gigabits per second internet bandwidth to meet the high-speed and high-density network demands of luxury hotels. Part 3, Product Recommendation and Key Feature. In luxury hotel projects, we recommend using Wi-Fi 6 indoor ceiling-mounted APs. Similarly, for outdoor wireless APs, we also recommend Wi-Fi 6. The first key feature of APs is their support for 2 working modes, fit mode and fat mode. When APs operate in fit mode, all must be configured by an access controller. In contrast, fat mode offers full functionality and is ideal for home and small networks, supporting access and routing functions. The next feature is multiple SSIDs, bind SSIDs to VLANs for department isolation and secure access. We highly recommend the L2+ managed switch for access layer switches. You can choose the right switch model based on the size of the hotel, selecting the number of ports that best fit the network needs. Compared to the original L2 managed switches, we have added a range of enhanced L2+ management features, such as ERPS, DHCP service, and static routing, to provide more advanced network management capabilities. In addition to the enhanced L2+ management features, we have also added a range of cloud management functions to the switches, such as alarm notification, remote monitoring, cloud port configuration, and eWeb. Cloud management makes your network management simpler and more efficient. The L2+ switches come with robust security features, including DOS defense, DHCP snooping, ACL, and AAA authentication. These features ensure a secure and reliable network environment. In CCTV projects, video footage is usually stored in an NVR for playback. With our free eWeb feature, customers have more options. You can view your surveillance footage anytime, anywhere, through the cloud platform and app. At the aggregation layer, we highly recommend using L3 managed switches with full fiber interfaces. These switches primarily manage the connection between the access layer and the core layer, aggregating data from multiple access layer switches and directing it to the core layer, ensuring optimized network performance, efficient data flow, and secure connectivity. When selecting a gateway device, you can choose based on the number of wireless APs it can manage. Next are the key features of the gateway. Our gateway has built-in AC and can automatically discover all fit mode APs, simplifying device integration. Unified configuration and management of APs, enhancing network efficiency. It also enables zero configuration AP access for quick wireless network deployment. The second key feature is fast roaming, featuring 802.11k protocol providing AP location information for faster scanning. 802.11v protocol for guiding devices to the best AP using network status, and 802.11r protocol to enable fast, secure AP handoff with key retention. Next is the step of configuring fast roaming. Just follow these steps on the user interface, and you can enable the fast roaming function. In hotel projects, the captive portal feature is commonly used. After check-in, guests receive a voucher and can start browsing the internet in their rooms. While they enjoy free Wi-Fi, you can also customize advertising promotions for them. The Multiple WAN feature allows you to aggregate the bandwidth from multiple ISPs, enabling load balancing and bandwidth backup. By following the simple steps shown in the image, you can easily configure this feature to enhance your network's performance and reliability. The gateway supports OpenVPN, PPTP, and L2TP for data encryption and security, enabling secure, high-speed VPN communication between branches, headquarters, and remote employees. In addition to supporting various VPN encryption methods, the gateway also features SD-LAN, software-defined network for LAN, which does not require a public IP and can replace traditional VPN functions. It enables secure link access between branch offices and headquarters. If you have outdoor monitoring and Wi-Fi coverage needs, outdoor PoE switches are the right choice. For luxury hotel projects, we highly recommend using L2+ managed outdoor PoE switches to ensure better performance, reliability, and centralized management in outdoor environments. Wi-Tek Cloud Outdoor PoE Switch offers waterproof design, 90-watt PoE cloud management, and strong surge protection, ideal for outdoor CCTV and WLAN deployments. Following the all-in-one design philosophy, it eliminates messy internal wiring and devices inside metal boxes, saving you more on installation and overall cost. Together with cloud functionality, basic maintenance tasks can be easily performed on your phone. The outdoor PoE switches are not only ideal for WLAN projects but also great for CCTV projects, thanks to key features like Extend Mode, PoE Restart, OnVIF Detect, and Alarm Notification. The built-in intelligent dip switch allows quick and flexible switching between 3 operation modes, no need to log into the device for complex configurations. This outdoor PoE switch supports high PoE power output up to 90 watt, 802.3 BT standard, enabling flexible deployment for high-power devices like PTZ cameras, wireless APs, and transmitters, all through a single Ethernet cable. For hotel projects, if you need elevator video surveillance, we recommend the WLAN 110 KIT. Its 1 km transmission range is ideal for elevator monitoring. The diagram on the left is a network topology. Compared to wired transmission, CPE offers advantages like point-to-point transmission, long service life, easy replacement, and lower cost. You can quickly pair the devices by simply adjusting the plus and minus buttons on the LED display. Through the cloud platform, you can monitor the CPE's transmission status and detailed parameters in real time. Before installing the CPE, you can use the cloud app to calculate the installation height. After installation, you can check detailed device parameters through the cloud app. If some IPCs are too far from the monitoring point or PoE switch, we offer a range of PoE extenders for you to choose from. The PoE extender supports both PoE in and DC in modes and features a 250-meter extended transmission mode. These two models include a VLAN port isolation mode, which was not available in the previous extenders. By chaining one 90-watt PoE injector with 4 PoE extenders, you can extend the maximum transmission distance up to 650 meters. Part 4. Bill of Material. Here's the bill of material for Wi-Tek's luxury WLAN and CCTV solution of high-end hotels. Equipment model, equipment quantity, and design principles can be changed according to the actual situation of the project. Thank you for watching this episode of Wi-Tek's Solution Channel. If you find our content helpful, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with more exciting content. Your support is our motivation to keep updating. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.